We have another property for sale. This is 1,000 square meters. Clean title. Ideal for commercial. It has 29 meters wide frontage located in Barangay Sungkulan, Dawis, Bohol in Panglao Island. So this is belongs to Panglao Island. Just only 5 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City and 10 minutes drive from Panglao International Airport. Mga 10 minutos yun. Let's say 10 minutes. So ana gina guys. Then 5 minutes drive from White Sand Beaches. So actually this is really a good investment, no? Mao na siya. And nakanindot kay wide ang iyang frontage. It's really a wide frontage which is really ideal for commercial. 1,000 square meters. Clean title, meaning buhi pa ang mapirma. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title, and if you have property or properties for sale, just let me know. We'll help you sell your property. Again, the size we're selling is 1,000 square meters for 8,000 pesos per square meter or 8 million pesos. Still negotiable. So, mao na akong full name ninyo Humawas 14 and my Facebook account. So, mana guys, just contact me. Okay, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.